Good morning and welcome. It's the 5th of July. It's just after 8 o'clock and we'll start as ever with the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Not much action yesterday. Nice red candle though. It has actually, if you look at the 4-hour chart, it's actually come up. It's bounced off the 20-day moving average and come down a bit, up a bit. Really expecting this to follow through short. To confirm the downtrend, but I think we got a top on the 73.70 up there. Yeah, as I mentioned before, we have divergence on the RSI. The candles have gone up, the RSI has gone down, although it's only slight. It is divergence. It shows sentiment. Also, where the trend line broke the RSI, that puts a resistance level in, because that was a failure. That's the failure of it when it was on the way up. So we put the blue line in because that is resistance. Euro, British pound. Green candle this morning. Bit of weakness in the pound, I believe, rather than strength in the euro. We've just come up to our entry point. We're looking for this to short. We've got a 3.15 divergence on the commitment of traders short between the euro and the pound. USD CAD. Yeah, hate to say, we had a red candle yesterday. A bit more strength in oil prices have sort of seeped through to the Canadian dollar, a bit more strength in the Canadian dollar. Yeah, we're down on support at the moment, and I'm really hoping that is going to hold. USD Japanese yen. We're up again at 113. We might even make the 113.716. This is the closest resistance. The turning point is a little bit higher. Basically the commitment of traders long the Japanese yen by about 3 to 1. Yeah, so I'm ever hopeful. But it's been a tough old cookie, this one, USD Japanese yen. The pound New Zealand dollar, yeah, we've got a divergence of 6.9. Basically, we're long the pound and short the New Zealand dollar. This pair has been oversold. It came down onto support. I've got a couple of trades in here, small trades, and we're looking for it to long. It really needs to get above the 50 on the RSI. It's popped up, and now it's had a few flat days. Bit of trouble with the pound, bit of weakness on the pound. So I'm looking for that to improve and follow on through. USD Mexican peso. Yeah, well, as you would expect, this was flat yesterday, more or less because the American market was closed for Thanksgiving. I don't know what is going to happen when it opens. That's going to be about 1 o'clock GMT. We're flat on the RSI at the 50. I really want this to move up. So basically, it's a waiting game. It's the 1 o'clock open, 1300 hours. We've got heavy support beneath us. It's bounced off that twice. Would be nice to see this go through the 50 on the RSI and confirm the upward trend. Right, so okay, thank you for that. Just a short movie following to promote my web page. Okay, thank you. Bye. Hello and welcome. I'd like to introduce you to my my web page. This is forexforsteadyprofit.com. That's the website. You got the usual home, about, and services, plus the subscription page. And once you've subscribed, you can enter the Members Centre. In the Members Centre, you will get my weekly CFTC data report, a daily video which will include the pairs. There's about 14 at the moment, plus any of interest that are up and coming, confirmed by the Commitment of Traders report, that are at turning points and should be looked at. I'll also include even more detail as to resistance and support, and use trend lines more on the RSI, and give more information in general. Trade diary, I give my ideas and or positions that I'm taking on individual currencies, and then there's my bespoke Forex for steady profit Skype details. Okay, well, hope to see you there soon, and happy trading. Thank you. Bye.